Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Nice.
I like that. Let's add some berries. We can add some berries. Because it's buttercream.
I have a question for the viewers out there. If you've got an actual ugly Christmas sweater somewhere in your closet, or you've had one, let us know. Just give us the basic idea. Was it a Christmas tree or a reindeer or a snowman?
What's on your Christmas sweater?
What's on your ugly Christmas sweater? Feel free to send in pictures because we love them.
I actually thought I had gotten rid of mine and went to my Salvation Army to see if they had any. There was none there. Yep. And people are telling me that they're going to Goodwill and Salvation Army and any thrift store to get one, and they're going for $150. Yep. So if you've got one in your closet hidden, you might have quite the commodity. I did not check eBay. That's one area I did not check.
Yeah, and if you'd like to send one to me, it's we're an extra large, and you can send it to the P.O. box. Yeah.
Okay.
Yummy Arts.
Christmas star. Not going to do an angel, but we're going to do a Christmas star. Let's just squeeze this out. This is pretty cool. This is Americolor's gold. They make a gold color. It's not yellow, it's gold. And it didn't take much, and it came up beautifully on that color. Do you guys like that?
It's very interesting. It looks a little different live.
It does.
So you'll have to trust us when you grab some and check this out.
Get it to break off. Oh, this is crusted good. Keep crossing to make a star.
That's one ugly star.
That is ugly. I was raised with the word
That's
ugly.
Awesome. That's ugly. It's nice.
Fill it in. Kind of two-dimensional here. Now, I wanted some bows on here. Do you guys know how to pipe a buttercream bow? Give me a little trial error here.
Show us.
Show you right here. We're going to go up and over. That's not it. Got to remember how to do this.
Interesting bow.
Interesting bow. Okay, like this.
Hard to see upside down.
Exactly. It's hard to see it upside down.
Yeah.
All right, let's put a bow on here. That's not it.
Pretty ugly.
Pretty ugly.
A long time since I've seen a Christmas tree with pretzels on it.
Exactly. Christmas tree pretzels.
That's right. It says pretzels.
Okay, what else have I got? All right, we're going to do snowflakes. There's two different kinds of snowflakes. I'm going to show you something about snowflakes. We can put dots in here to add for the background. Okay. Now, if you guys are scrapbookers, you may have some of these fun punches. You like that? We've got our frosting sheet here. I recommend frosting sheets instead of, this is wafer paper. The wafer paper will work on it too, but once it gets on the frosting, it could absorb the color and just change. Where the frosting sheet, I would think it wouldn't. Okay, here's our frosting sheet. We're going to leave it on the backing. See how it's got the backing on here still? Yeah, the backing didn't want to let it go through. There's a snowflake.
Nice.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Totally edible. Little dab of frosting. Let's take it to the next. There's 3 settings on this one. One's going to do just a full circle. The other one's going to do what that one just did. Let's try it with the backing to get the full snowflake effect.
Cool.
Okay.